Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. When you are out riding your motorcycle, you want to have really crystal clear, hands-free communication. This SENA 20S Evo 1 motorcycle Bluetooth headset system does just that. We have been so happy with this system and how it enables us to have communication while we are riding motorcycles. So not only does it allow for an intercom between multiple devices and riders, it also acts as a Bluetooth for taking calls, for listening to music, and it is just such a great way to have that hands-free ability to do all of those things. So when you are riding a bike, you don't want to have to use your hands for anything, for signaling to other riders or trying to communicate. This is definitely the way to go. It has a really nice low profile, it's easy to install, and I really feel like the sound quality is nice and clear. You also get up to 13 hours of talk time on a single charge. So this is such a great option for anyone who is out riding motorcycles, wants to be able to communicate and have really clear sound. So that is why we really love the SENA Bluetooth system, and that's my point of view.